Guys, so today we got an Abus Titalium 80Ti/40. Just picked this up off of Amazon. It's a non-guttable green belt lock, 6-pin, and here's the key bitting for it. I'm using Covert Instruments wiper blade, bottom of the keyway, 30 thousandths of an inch, and 25 thousandths inch standard hook. So let's get to picking here. So I like these Abuses. They're fun locks for the price. Very affordable. And they're filled with spools. At least the ones I've had. This is the first Titalium series that I've picked up. But yeah, you get a lot of counter rotation and chasing pins, picking one up, others drop. So, I don't know. To me, it's a fun pick. Oh, and we got it open. So, they could be troublesome, but I find them pretty fun to pick. And that's the Abus 80Ti 40. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.